Okay, hi guys, welcome to the Chef Factory cooking class. My name is Greta and tonight we're making some traditional Italian recipes. Let's start with the classic Italian soffritto for the ragu. Onion, celery, and carrot. And what we're doing tonight also, when we clean our veg, we're gonna put all the scraps into this water. We'll let simmer the water so that we make a fresh stock. That will help us to cook all the sauces. So we add extra flavor and nothing goes to waste. To make a quick dicing very easily, point of your knife, dig in almost to the end, but not until the end, right? And you repeat this all throughout your onion. I think we talk about everything, so now it's your time to shine, guys. Enjoy. Collect. This is perfetto. Perfect. Bravissima. And I know this is delicious, so trust me. There you go. Oh yes. And 3. Beautiful. In this case, we're gonna add this so that we're making what we call a red ragu. A red ragu means there's some tomato. Also, tomato paste is fantastic. A couple of squeeze in there, and it's delicious. And then we're gonna add some wine. At the very end, the rosemary on top, and then we let this go very, very gently. You can imagine the flavor, it's absolutely amazing. Dig in and start folding and folding. And again, palm of your hand, dig in and fold, dig in and fold. To make fettuccine, we need number 6. Let's roll this. And there you go, 0 is done. Then moving to number 2. Okay, 0 to 4. Once you get to number 4, very important, folding stage. Imaginary half, get your tip together, and then one side to the other. So that I get my nice piece of squared pasta. We turn and twist the other way, and we go back to 0, because now it's quite thick. Again, so 0 to 4 folding, 0, 2, and now we move to the fettuccine cutter. Voila. So let's start. Once it's in, I can leave my pasta and I'm ready to catch it. Perfect length. Perfetto. So please, very important, don't put them into like the cute nest, which is cute, but then they get stuck together again and it's impossible to cook them. So let them breathe and dry out on the table just like that, okay? Grazie mille guys, you have fun now. Perfetto, perfetto, dai.
My favorite part was definitely making the pasta itself. It was kind of fun to use the machine, and there was a bunch of us helping each other do it, so that was a cool thing to do that I haven't done very many times before. I definitely think I'm going to try to recreate the sauce at home. It definitely was much easier than I ever thought it could be. I'm used to just, again, pouring it out of the can into the bowl, but it was really easy, honestly. We used every ingredient. We made the chicken stock, or the vegetable stock ourselves, and it was really easy to use, actually.
My mom's side of the family is Italian, so I'm used to having, we have Italian a few times a week, and I'm definitely gonna be taking what I learned here, maybe show my grandma something, and yeah.
For anyone coming to the cooking class, I would definitely recommend it. I would think come with an open mind. They're all very helpful, ask questions. Get to know the people you're doing it with. It's a fun way to meet more people and just have fun, I would say, because it's a lot of fun.